Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the fastest dying channel on the internet. Seriously, we're the Usain Bolt of dying. So
like and subscribe.
Anyways, we're gonna start with unboxing because why not? Because unboxing stuff.
Okay, so I had to go with the AB350 Pro 4 because, I mean, shit, upgradability, and for fuck's sake, it's a $90 motherboard, and it's got two M.2 slots. So, I had to full Linus. So this is the ASRock AB350 Pro.
There.
Alright. This is the ASRock AB350 Pro 4, and it's black and white. It probably looks fucking gray to you.
Probably.
I don't know, but... Okay. Oh shit, that's sexy. So if you guys want to know how to cure erectile dysfunction, just buy PC parts. It's pretty simple. Shit, I really don't want to fuck that.
Yeah, you might want to put that back in the plastic sleeve for opening the rest of the parts.
But I'm just gonna punt it.
No,
Don't have to worry about
break.
frying it if it's snapped in half.
Anyways, if it wasn't obvious, Adam's going for a black and white color theme with this as much as he could within the budget.
Because I don't see color. We're all one race.
You had to politicize this. You had to fucking...
I'm out. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel now. I'll take the fucking 7 subscribers and 5 of them are...
8 now.
Oh shit, 8? What's up? Oh, fuck you.
No, it wasn't me.
Oh shit. Hey, that one random fucking dude that hit the wrong button.
Yeah, thanks for subscribing. You're feeding me something. You're not even feeding me. We don't make money.
we won't be fed until 1,000 subscribers and 4,000.
So yeah, make sure you share this video with your friends.
Okay, next up. Okay, let's not make a fucking part 2 of what happened last time.
We don't talk about what happened last time.
Oh yes, we do. Hey there, shit. My Ryzen 3 1300X, because I'm not a 1200 pussy.
Fuck off.
Because I can afford a 1200. No, fuck.
I couldn't afford a 1200, so I bought a 1300X, and now I'm in debt.
Okay, it was a $10 difference. Fuck it, why not, right? That's the attitude with this build. It's on sale. Fuck it. So, oh shit, I hope I don't cut myself.
Careful.
Fuck off.
Careful.
Okay, so open this fucker up. Okay, guys, if you saw the last video, you see that it's gonna fall down. So we're going to set it there nicely. Jake, take tips. Shit. We got the amazing stock cooler. Actually, AMD did a really good fucking job with this.
Yeah, for a stock cooler.
Don't lick this shit.
Kinda gross.
You know, shit. It's not supposed to be edible.
I got sick for like a week because of that shit. Seriously, don't.
Yeah, we have footage of that somewhere, unfortunately.
Yep.
Okay, next let's go to the hard drive, because everyone likes looking at fucking hard drives. Nah, screw GPUs and screw cases. Nah, we get into the beefy stuff, to the real meat and potatoes.
What are you gonna store on that hard drive?
Fucking lolly hentai. Don't put that in the video.
Bitch. Being the editor is amazing.
Yeah, it's all good till I start editing shit.
Yeah.
Which hopefully will be soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
Keyword hopefully. Yeah, if you've never seen a fucking 1 terabyte hard drive, go on Amazon or literally anywhere else.
Google Images.
Pretty much. Okay.
Here, I'll pull it up.
You're gonna put it like right there.
Hold on, I'll pull it up.
Next, we got RAM. Notice how this packaging can fit 2 RAM sticks? Yeah, they want to make me feel poor for only affording 8 gigs. This was almost $100. Get your shit together.
Yeah, the RAM market, the market for PC building sucks right now.
Okay, so
hard drive.
I really don't blame you for leaving a dislike if you do.
Honestly, please dislike. It might motivate me to finally end my suffering and kill myself.
Okay, so...
Wow, that was edgy.
I know, right? Yeah, they just took a stick of RAM out. They're like, whatever.
They're like, oh shit, someone ordered an 8 gig. All right, they pop it open and they take one out.
No, notice how easy that was to open. There wasn't like any resistance.
They just open it and they're like, yeah, nope.
So like,
careful, that is a sensitive part. You have to push it from the back and grab it by the heat spreader. Yeah, there you go.
Like, okay, it's a lot whiter than it is like on Amazon. On Amazon, it looks like cream almost, like a really disgusting white, but looks pretty good, I have to admit.
No, I ordered some red ballistic RAM, as anyone who's watched that video knows, and it does look a lot better in person. So, although anyone who watched that video probably has offed themselves by now.
We're gonna have the suicide hotline number.
Yeah, I'll leave the suicide hotline in the description.
The power supply. Oh, it's okay. I hate myself. I want to open the graphics card first, but 450 watt because it was $20. Then fuck paying 60. Like I said, that's the whole. Oh, I'm going to open this how Jake likes to open his boxes. I'm not letting that go. See, you gotta make a nice cut there, and then
a precise incision. You missed. There you go.
See, and then you gotta wait a couple days until you're editing, and then you realize, wait a minute.
Wow. Box opening tutorial next video.
Sad. So it.
Or maybe not next video. Box opening tutorial coming soon.
You know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, make the knife big. I don't know why you're doing that pussy shit.
Shut up. It's average.
Not big enough. There's one of those little tabs that you're gonna have to pull out. So
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You know what? Fuck it.
Just cut it. You're bad at opening boxes.
Okay, guys, learn how to open a box like.
And you gave me.
And then...
Can I just remind you that you gave me shit for not being able to, for struggling a little bit with this exact box type, and here you are,
fuck off.
Probably about to accidentally cut yourself open with a box cutter.
I'd rather cut myself than the power supply.
I'm insane.
Fuck it. Okay, so.
Here.
Easy.
You're not gonna save the box for your box wall?
No, I will. It's just
gonna look like shit.
Have you seen my setup?
I mean, yeah, you got a point. How to open box.
We got this. Fuck that. There's this cable.
That's your power supply cable.
No, dude, this is an HDMI cable.
I want to kill myself even more than usual right now.
Okay, so it came with this weird, like, this really weird box inside. Honestly, I just bought this for the bubble wrap.
I dare you to eat that. Don't do it though, you'll die.
Well, you ate thermal paste last time, so I gotta eat some weird shit. So, like,
tune in next time when I drink my radiator fluid.
Okay, so in all seriousness, the reason I bought this one instead of like any other one, black cables, because fuck that like ketchup mustard looking shit.
I really wish I'd bought that one because the ketchup mustard cables look like dick.
Next up is this, the questionably the best part of the build. Where's my fucking okay? I don't know where the fucking knife went. Hold up. I swear to... Hold up. God damn it. Fuck off. Really, Suicide Hotline. Just scroll down a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be there.
So again, opening like Jake. You gotta go over here.
You gotta actually cut the plastic though.
Small incision. Again, over here, small incision. And pray you didn't cut the fucking graphics card in half. Because, you know, over here is the same amount as over here. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Yeah, you just keep talking there.
This is all going in the video.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, shit. Okay, I should pull a Linus and drop. Next video, drop test 1060. Will it break at 6 feet on pavement? Miss me with that gay shit, and then.
Hey, all right, there you go.
It looks sexy.
Nice.
Oh, does it do the cool thing that yours does? Oh, fuck. I'm sending this back now.
Returning it.
But this has, yeah, DVI, dual link, if I remember right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
HDMI and display port, but since I'm a little broke bitch,
no backplate.
yeah, no backplate, but for $350, including shipping and shit, not really gonna complain too much.
That's the market right now. It's that bad.
Yep.
With no signs of getting better either, as far as I know.
Nope. I actually saw this thing on Instagram where, no, not Instagram, Snapchat. Real reliable place to get your news.
Oh, yeah.
But they said that it's more than likely not going to get any better at all this year. It's just going to continue to be horrible. Put that there. And now you might want to move that back.
Back her up. Back her up. Don't drop it.
No. It's thick.
Alright,
okay.
I think it's all in frame. I hope so.
So do I. Watch it be like just this corner. Okay. How to open a box. B5. That was not mostly cardboard. I swear to God.
Just keep going, dude. This is like watching a train wreck happen.
Like
I don't know whether I should like call emergency services or just pull out some popcorn.
Neither do I, honestly. Like, at this point, okay, legit, I was going to order pizza, but then I'm like, nah, fuck that, because I don't want grease getting on my shit.
True. Dude, I was going to order pizza once, but then I was like, nah, fuck that, because then the pizza guy knows where I live, and I ain't about that.
Okay. Weird conspiracy. Being a pizza guy... Being a pizza guy would be like the easiest job for a murderer. You get to learn where everyone's fucking house is, and you know exactly what kind of food they like. You could poison their fucking food.
And this video is getting taken down.
Are you fucking kidding me? There's a box inside.
Hold up.
The whole reason I didn't open this was because I thought the case was inside. No, fuck me then. Shit. I'm just gonna... Box opening tutorial. Look, that joke is almost as dead as our channel.
I don't think anything could be as dead as our channel. I really don't.
Swear to God, I'm gonna fucking cut myself.
Do you ever just want to, like, end your life? Because
after watching my gameplay, yeah.
just listening to myself in this commentary is really giving me a run for my money.
This is gonna be painful for you to edit because it's gonna be like hearing your own voice.
I'm gonna title this Cringe Compilation 2018. No, keep going. This is so you have the box open, and upside down, and you could just lift the box off the case.
I know, but I'm doing this.
But instead you're choosing to open the box. Why?
Because then I can pop this open here.
And what, push it out?
Yes.
That, I felt that in the floor.
It's okay, it's good, it's good. This was built at, oh, is there a vertical GPU mount? Fuck off. Hold up.
Is it? Oh, I think there is.
No fucking way. Okay, well, I know what I'm gonna do later.
That's kind of dope.
Shit.
You need a riser cable, though.
Yeah. Well, still, like, that wasn't even mentioned in the fucking...
No, it wasn't.
Or whatever. It's okay when you feel the floor bounce when you drop when you put the case out of the box, that means it's working.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Pretty sure that's exactly how it works. My dad owns Newegg, so like I think I know what I'm talking about. I'm kidding. If my dad owned Newegg, I wouldn't have a fucking piece of shit PC like this.
Still better than mine, though.
Like I said, I wouldn't have a piece of shit computer like this. Let's look inside of this thing.
Yeah, and maybe move it to somewhere where the camera can see it.
Boom. Can it see it?
Yeah.
Alright. And that's going in.
I'm leaving all of this in.
Okay, that's actually a really fucking nice case. Shit.
Yeah.
Okay, one fan.
Quit fucking moving it.
No, I was just checking to see like how many fans were in it.
Yeah. 2 fans should be alright, but you might want to pick up a third one.
Well,
eventually.
yeah. But I mean, for like a week or two, it'll be fine.
Alright, so now that that's done, we're probably going to get to building it.
We're gonna cut to when I fuck up for the, I don't know, the 8th time.
Yeah,
now?
we're going to cut to his fuck-ups first, and then we'll build it.
You realize this is gonna be like an hour-long video, just me fucking up.
Yeah, cringe compilation 2018.
Okay.
Alright, catch you when we're building.